Hey everybody, welcome back to Dreadfully Dainty Dips, where we do things nail related like DIY nails, nail product reviews, and movie, music, and Manny Mondays. If you're new here, hey, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to Dreadfully Dainty Dips and being a new member of the Dreadful family. I am so happy to have each and every one of you guys here with me. Okay, so today I have a special video. I have an unboxing / giveaway. Yay! I know it's been a minute since we've done a giveaway, so it was well overdue. Okay, so if many of you did not know, I'm one of the brand ambassadors for the dip powder company, Dipomania. And every quarter, they release what we call a Triple M box, which is their Maniac, Mayhem, and Mystery box. And I have an extra, actually, the only one left, that's right, of their January 2022 Maniac, Mayhem, and Mystery box. Dead of Winter 2022. So these went super fast. If you did not get your hands on one of these, please stay tuned because we're gonna see what's all inside this box, and one of you guys will be the lucky winner of this box. So if you want to know all the details on how to enter to win, stay tuned. Let's dip into the video. All right, hello everybody. Hello Dreadful fam. Thanks for joining me. All right, let's get into this Maniac, Mayhem, and Mystery Dipomania quarterly box. All right, so we have here Dipomania's January Dead of Winter 2022 box. This is chock full of wintry goodness. It was blue themed and kind of skull and snowflake themed. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? If you would like to get in on the next box release, please come join our Facebook group. It is called Dipomaniacs. I will leave all the info in the description box down below. So yeah, we have another box coming up pretty quick. If you want to get in on it, come join our Facebook group. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh. Wow, look at all those goodies. All right, so let's get into this box. Okay, so let's move our colors to the side. We will get to those. All right, first up, they always come with a prop. And these props are by the wonderful Resin'ae Artis. You can find her on Instagram. She does amazing work. But I'm not going to take this one out of the bag because I do have a box of my own. So let me go and grab my skull prop. Ooh-wee! Isn't that so neat? It's like a 3D effect. It says Dipomania 2022, Dead of Winter. It has snowflakes, shimmer, lots of cool, neat little things inside the skull. She just did amazing work. That is so neat. Really, really cool Nailfie prop. Okay, so let's move that out of the way. All right, and next up we have the Accessory Cup from Chaos Concepts. This is their smaller cup, not to be confused with the big cup called Cup of Chaos. So what's really cool about this accessory cup is that it glows. How neat is that? Okay, so let's give it a little cook and I will show y'all that magical glow. All right, it's about to get dark. Don't y'all get scared on me. All right, you ready? Here comes the magic. How neat is that? That is awesome. So yes, I will link this down below as well. And you can also find Chaos Concepts on Facebook and Instagram as well. Pretty cool. All right, let's see. What do I want to do next? Okay, and it came with a piece of candy. Oh, y'all remember rock candy? Oh, sorry about my hand. I was doodling with markers earlier. Rock candy. How cool is that? Takes me back. Really, really neat. And it also comes with a brush. This is an ombre brush. This is really neat to use for scrub ombres. Here's mine, already open. Really nice brush, really sturdy. The bristles were really nice. All right, let's put all this back in here neatly. All right, so next up we have our nail powder brush pen. This is really cool. Again, I'm not going to open this one, but I will show you mine. Okay, so with this powder brush, the tip of the, like where the brush part is, it unscrews and you fill it full of a clear acrylic or your clear dipping powder. This makes it really easy when you're doing pour overs and dusting off. So I keep clear in this just so that way I don't, you know, stain it or fill it full of any other colors or anything. And it's super easy. You just push the little button and a little bit comes out the tip there. So you just put your nail over that little reservoir like so, and you sprinkle your clear powder on top and then give it a dust off. How neat is that? And then just to pour, like so, the dip powder from the reservoir, you just unscrew the brush tip and pour it back into the container and then put your brush tip back on. Super easy and really, really neat. All right, so let's get into our bag of goodies. It's got lots of neat little things in here. Okay, first up we have our themed box sticker, Dead of Winter. How cool is that? Ooh, and we got lots of little things. So here are some gold. These kind of felt like a metal snowflakes. Here are some loose, like glitter snowflakes. And here are some more, same thing, but kind of hollow. And they also come with decals. Now all of these little goodies that are in here, like the decals and the loose glitters, those are slightly different every box. So not every box is exactly the same. Okay, and then she always adds in just a little bitty jar of goodness. Let me get it out here. This one was my favorite. This is my favorite box so far, you guys. So there are little bitty tiny skulls in here. And you're going to watch me fiddle with them to try to turn them over. I apologize. So there are little tiny skulls and they are different colors. So one of them is like a cool chameleon that shifts from like purple to green. And then another one is kind of like a white one. Oh man, those are slippery little boogers. I had to go off screen just so I could turn them all and put them back on for y'all. Oh, give me a minute. Come on, Lindsay. Get it together, sis. Any minute now. Okay, and we're back. Okay, so here is the green and purple. How cool are those? And then the other one is like a white iridescent with shifty goodness. And then it comes with teeny tiny little bitty rhinestones. Aren't those so cute? Oh, I'll have to think of a really cool way to use these. But okay, so let's get that back in the bag. And it also comes with an orange wood stick. And here is our bag of colors. So I'm not going to open these. I have my own bag. So let's tuck everything back into this bag. We'll get the box moved out of the way and I'll be right back and show you the colors. Alright guys, so giveaway details. All you have to do to enter is leave me a comment down below of your favorite color from this box that I'm about to show you. You also must be subscribed to my channel. This is for US residents only. I'm so sorry, friends, my international friends. And this giveaway will run from February 7th to February 21st, so you have 2 weeks to enter. So please leave me a comment of your favorite color from this box, and also a good way to get a hold of you, like your IG handle and or a good email. So that way, if you're a winner chicken dinner, I can get in touch with you. Alright, so in this bag we have our Dipomania business card. Here is the Dipomania info. Again, I will leave everything in the description box down below. We have cryostasis, really neat glitter. Next we have Resin'ae, and I will explain all the details when we open these bad boys up. Okay, next we have Killer Queen, another really neat glitter. These are all dipping powders. Okay, and last we have Hypothermia. Okay, so first up, let's do Resin'ae. This is a dipping powder that is crumbable, and it is a magnet. So you can use this to get a cat's eye. And if you join our Facebook group over at Dipomaniacs on Facebook, we show you how to use these. So you'll see the top of the swatches is the normal look of how you would dip it. On the stiletto at the very tip is how you can chrome it. And I put a little cat's eye on there so you can see how it is also a magnetic dip. How neat is that? Really neat. Okay, so that was Resin'ae. Okay, next up we have cryostasis. Oh, and the really neat thing about these boxes is these dips are one of a kind. They do not go on the site, so that's what makes every box special, because these are one of a kind, one-time dips. This is a very pretty glitter. It has little snowflakes in there with some pops of blue. Let me grab my swatches and we'll show you what it looks like on the swatch. Really pretty. Look at that glitter. Just the depth of it. It's so neat. I could just stare at all the little things inside that dip. Okay, so that is cryostasis. Okay, next up we have Killer Queen, another cool dip. This has kind of got like some glitters and some flakes in there. It's really neat. Let me grab my swatch. This one, the depth on this one is also amazing. Like the more layers you get, it kind of looks like all this stuff is just like captured in like different layers of ice. It was so neat. You really, like, the camera doesn't do it justice. You really need this in person to just capture that depth. It was so cool. So this is Killer Queen. Okay, and last we have Hypothermia. This one is a dark shimmer. Got lots of little hints of blue in there, kind of like a blue purple. Let me grab my swatch so we can see what it looks like. Look at that. That is so neat. Just look at those little bitty pops of blue when the light catches it. It's almost like a really dark, like charcoal gray. Really, really pretty. I enjoyed this one, and I love how they all go together. Alright, that's it, Dreadful fam. So if you like this kind of video and you would like to see me do more unboxings, please give me a like. It really helps me out. And please join the Dreadful family and subscribe. So for the giveaway, don't forget, make sure you're subscribed. US residents only. You have until February 7th through the 21st to enter and comment down below. Please leave me a comment with your favorite color from this box. And a good way to get hold of you, please. Either your IG handle and or a good email. Okay, fam, let me get everything out here so y'all can see what we went over. And that's all I have for you today. So thanks for joining me. I really do, really appreciate each and every one of you guys. All right, until next time, bye.